How to connect your GoDaddy domain to Wix. Step-by-step guide. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on connecting your GoDaddy domain to Wix. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of linking your custom domain to your Wix website, making it a professional and complete online presence. To start, log in to your Wix account and navigate to the Domains tab. From there, click on Add a Domain and select Import a domain from another registrar. You'll then be prompted to enter your GoDaddy domain information. Enter your domain name, and Wix will verify the ownership of the domain. Once verified, you'll be asked to set up DNS settings for your domain. Wix provides a simple and easy-to-use interface for this process. Click on Add DNS and enter the required DNS settings provided by GoDaddy. Make sure to update the name server settings to point to Wix's servers. After setting up the DNS settings, click Save to complete the process. Your domain should now be connected to your Wix website. To test the connection, navigate to your Wix website and check if your domain is displayed correctly. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your website's URL with your custom domain. That's it. You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Wix. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step guides on website creation and management.